Salam alaikum once again. Et bonjour à vous. Comment vous allez? Comment ça va? Et j'espère que vous vous amusez à la maison. Okay. We are continuing our lesson with the sixth topic. The topic for the 6th week. I believe I'm talking to my JSS3 students. And I believe you're also paying attention. All right, we just rounded the lesson on letter writing. So we are concentrating now on your spoken French. And that spoken French is leading us to this topic, which is appeler et répondre au téléphone. Appeler et répondre au téléphone. La date d'aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, le 21 juin 2020. Alors, le titre de notre leçon d'aujourd'hui, c'est « Appeler et répondre au téléphone ». Calling and answering on the phone. Or, calls and answers on the phone. Alright? Or, if you want, we could also say this means phone calls and answers. Alright, so this topic is going to teach us. In this topic, we are going to learn how to make calls, how to introduce yourself. So we are going to learn expressions that we make while on the phone. Now, le premier sous-titre, the first subtopic is expressions utilisées. Now, these are used expressions. Generally speaking, they are expressions that we normally use while on the phone. You know, in English language, when you call somebody, you say hello, you know, it's a common one. Hello? Please, who am I speaking to? Please, am I speaking to so person? Or please, I want to speak to so person. So, this is how we are going to see exactly how it happens in French. So, you're going to pay attention to this because you're going to be repeating what I'm telling you. You're going to repeat. While you're at home, you'll be repeating. Because the more you practice it, the more you master it, and the more you become good at it. Okay. Now, the first one is demander une personne au téléphone. Demander une personne au téléphone. Ça veut dire en anglais, asking about someone on the phone. Or asking to talk to someone on the phone. Like when you pick your call, you say, please, may I speak to Usman? May I speak to Aisha? That's what it means. Now the first one here you have under it is bonjour. So when you pick the call, for instance, this is my phone, this is my phone, and I'm with my handset, I said bonjour. Alright? If I call you, we are there at home, I will greet you. I will greet each other first, whether I know you or not, whether we know each other or not. Say bonjour, depending on the day, or bonsoir. Okay. The next one is je voudrais parler à Mariam, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais parler à Mariam, s'il vous plaît. I would like to speak to Mariam, please. Je voudrais, I would like to parler, speak à Mariam, to Mariam, s'il vous plaît, please. Another way to say it is est-ce qu'Aïcha est là? Here I took another person's name. Est-ce qu'Aïcha est là? Is Aisha around? Or is Aisha there? Est-ce qu'Aïcha est là? Please, my dear children, I'm expecting you to repeat exactly what I'm saying. Alright, the second expression is demander l'identité de la personne qui appelle. Demander. Asking l'identité, the identity de la personne, of the person qui appelle, that is calling. So how do you ask for the identity of the caller? Alright? Now, there are 3 ways you can do that. The first part you can say, c'est de la part de qui? C'est de la part de qui? C'est de la part de qui? It means, who am I on to? Who am I on to? B. Qui est à l'appareil? Who is on the line? Qui est à l'appareil? Qui à l'appareil? Or you could say, qui est à l'appareil? Who is on the line? Qui est à l'appareil? Who is on the line? The third way to say it is, you can say, is either you say, c'est qui? Who is it? C'est qui? Or, qui est, it means the same thing. Qui est, or you call the person by name. C'est Malik. Here c'est Malik. You could say, c'est Aisha, just to be sure who the person is speaking. Who is the person speaking? Or you could say, c'est Ingrid, c'est Madame Ingrid. C'est Monsieur Ahmed. C'est Fatima. Just to know. That's when you want to know the identity of the caller. Now, the third expression here is donner ou confirmer son identité. That means to give or to confirm one's identity. If you want to give your identity or you want to confirm the person's identity, so that you say, c'est moi. Say, it's me. Yeah, it's me. Or you say, c'est Zena. It means, c'est Malik. It's me. Yes, it's the person you're speaking to. Number 4, demander de patienter. You know, at times, somebody might call a line at home and maybe call your elder brother or your sister's line and you happen to pick. And your sister or the brother or the person the call is addressed to is busy doing something, maybe in the toilet, in the bathroom, in the kitchen, or in the garden, or maybe just went out to buy something outside. And you want the caller to be patient, to hold on. You say, ne quittez pas, je vous le passe. That means, please, hold on a second, I will hand the phone over to the person. So that you make it very formal, you say, ne quittez pas, je vous le passe. Or you say, ne quitte pas, je te le passe, depending on the person you are addressing yourself to. Okay. Number 5 is proposer de laisser un message. Proposer de laisser un message. En anglais, c'est suggesting to drop a message. So you suggest to your caller to drop a message for the person that is not around and who's supposed to have picked the call. How do you say that? Vous voulez, or tu peux laisser un message. So instead that you say, vous voulez laisser un message, or you say, tu peux laisser un message. It means, can you drop a message? Can you drop a message? Now, number 6, vérifier ou bien indiquer une erreur de téléphone. You have vérifier ou indiquer une erreur de téléphone. It means what? How to verify a, how do you call it now? A phone error, a phone call error. You know, at times somebody will call you and the person say, wrong number. So how do you do that? How do you verify that that person is not really, it's not really you he wants to call, or it's not really you she wants to call? You say, quel numéro demandez-vous? So who do you want to call? Which line do you really want to call? Quel numéro demandez-vous? Or you say, vous faites erreur. That's what we mean by wrong number. Vous faites erreur. Wrong number. It's a wrong number. Vous faites erreur. The 7th one is s'excuser pour une erreur de téléphone. Now, when they tell you wrong number, what do you say? This is how to s'excuser means how to ask for a pardon, how to excuse yourself, you know, how to beg for pardon for using the wrong number. C'est excusez-moi, je me suis trompé. Excusez-moi, je me suis trompé. It means, pardon me, I made a mistake. Pardon me, I made a mistake. C'est, oh, allô? Allô? Quel numéro demandez-vous? C'est, excusez-moi, je me suis trompé. Sorry, I made a mistake. Or I called the wrong number or the wrong line. Now, we have the next subtopic, which is répondre au téléphone. How to answer phone calls. You know, it's a very common thing. How to answer phone calls. You have the first one, allô? You can say, allô, Ahmed? Say, oui, allô, Madame Ingrid. Allô, Ousmane. Allô? Okay, say, allô, 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 c'est Ousmane. Hello, it's Ousmane. Allô, bonjour. That's another one. Allô, bonjour. Hello, good morning. Okay, this is allô. You can just say allô. Or you say allô, c'est Ingrid. Or allô, c'est Amina. So hello is Amina. Introduce yourself immediately. Then C is allô, bonjour. Allô, bonjour. Hello, good morning. Alright. Then the 9th one, which is the last but not least, remercier. Very important. Gratitude. Okay, how to show gratitude, how to be thankful. Normally, to make it very polite and very respectful. Even whether you're talking to your friend, whether it's a formal call or informal call, these expressions are very important. important. So you say either merci or merci beaucoup, or you can even say à plus. Okay? À plus, à plus, à plus. That means some of the time. Okay? Or à bientôt, au revoir, or bye, any of them. Merci beaucoup or merci. Now, for your assignment, devoir, you see these are two people. Let's say, let's call this one, let's call her Fidelcy. Let's call her Fidelcy. And let's call this one, Aliu. Okay. Alright? So, you are asked in this assignment, complétez l'appel téléphonique de ces personnages. Complétez l'appel téléphonique de ces personnages. You are asked to complete this phone call, these people's phone call. Here, Fidelcy is saying, hello, bonjour. What is he supposed to say? What is Ali supposed to say? And then Fidelcy say again, c'est de la part de qui? C'est de la part de qui? What is Ali supposed to say? What is supposed to be his answer? And then she says, merci beaucoup. What is he supposed to say? Okay, so when you are done with that assignment, you can send me your answers on this phone number 0706 278 5944. Okay, so please, I am expecting the answer to your assignments and your questions if you have any. And I'm very happy you are watching. I'm very happy you are following up. Keep it up and au revoir. Merci beaucoup.